JL2550 CNC. Junli high-precision CNC profile grinders are designed to meet current and future grinding requirements. The machines are engineered and manufactured to the highest industry standards, starting from the raw castings right up through quality testing. This ensures optimal surface grinding accuracy and finish. Our goal is to exceed customer expectations for quality and investment. High precision and high rigidity. All Junli surface grinders start from the finest Meehanite processed fine-grained gray iron castings, FC30, selected for their outstanding strength and inherent vibration dampening characteristics. Heavy and solid, with extensive ribbing throughout, they minimize any possible grinding vibrations from the grinding wheel to the workpiece. Relative design in the right and left frame structure makes the regular change in distortion by temperature. The advanced software is used to accurately analyze the stress of the structure, the condition of distortion, and vibration of the frame, thus ensuring a perfect frame. High efficiency. Ball screw and linear guideway are used, and AC servo motor which drives the ball screw directly. Intelligent software servo can achieve high-speed consistent machining with high-frequency response. Ease of operation and programming. Close-loop feedback provided by linear scales on Y and Z axis, locating accuracy to increase machining accuracy, increased machining accuracy and efficiency. The Siemens 810D, or FANUC 0i, CNC control system has an extremely wide range of field applications and was conceived for 2 to 5 simultaneously controlled axes. Through programming, it provides full automatic grinding of many multi-shaped workpieces. With this control system, wheel dressing with auto compensation and fine grinding can be accomplished in one cycle. With the optional automatic overhead diamond dresser, the grinding wheel will always be dressed for optimal performance to increase machine grinding accuracy and efficiency. Optional accessories and control, except for Siemens product, are also available.